So a green team in itself is a team of motivated members that are working together on sustainable initiative within the hospital. So for example, we at the operating room department have a green team with surgeons that are involved, managers that are involved, nurses that are involved to help everyone together to implement sustainable choices. And for the LUMC Green Team overall, we have this network to connect one another and to help each other with the barriers they're having, or maybe to help them with new ideas. I would advise an organization to set up a green team because I think it's important that we accelerate this transition. And I know from practice that when we have a green team, things are happening quicker. So, for example, what we want to do is we want to, instead of using a lot of disposables, we want to use more reusables. And I've seen that when you make one person or two people responsible for this task, that it happens quicker than when we say, okay, we want to change to more or using more reusables. And within a green team, you have a few members that have that motivation. They want to be responsible for one certain task. And in this way, a green team will help to quicken this transition. In our OR green team, we have 4 different pillars. The first one is reducing waste, because we have a lot of waste that we're producing. The second one is focusing on disposables and reusables, because we want to use more reusables instead of disposables, because we know that has a lesser environmental impact. We also are focusing on reducing the amount of anesthetic gases we're using, inhalational anesthetics. And the fourth one is also reducing the medicine residues. So you can focus on these pillars too, and also have ideas within these pillars, which you can focus on within your green team. The last thing which you can do is you can focus on more long-term goals. So for example, you say, well, in 2 years, we don't want to use any reusables anymore in our department. And then you do everything and you come up with ideas to make sure that you achieve your goal.